Hello, I'm Mike Griffiths and I'm on Zen Dog, my boat, on a very noisy Friday in May. My boat's a 10-year-old Prestige 38S motor cruiser and she's berthed here at Lymington Yacht Haven and she's advertised on Beds on Board. She's got typical sports cruiser accommodation, so that's a large cockpit up here with lots of seating and a sliding electric roof above me, a lower saloon, a small galley, a forward double and a decent second cabin with 2 twins or 1 double berth. She's surrounded by other motor yachts that rarely seem to get used. Now maybe their owners are wealthy enough that they don't need help to fund boat ownership. The boat maybe is their pride and joy and there's no way anyone else can be allowed to use it. Strangely, I'm told that the wealthier the owners, the more likely they are to find ways of earning money from their boats. And of course most super yachts are chartered. Now I'm not in that league. I struggle to buy Zen Dog and I've definitely struggled to pay the maintenance costs, etc. ongoing. 18 months ago, I met the Beds on Board team and they convinced me to have a go at letting Zen Dog out for overnight guests. I was sceptical, but a year and over 80 bookings later, and with revenues of at least £12,500 after I've paid for cleaning in the bank, I'd like to share some ideas with you. Now I've got a bit of a track record in this. I work in property, I work in IT and I work in marketing, and I hesitate to admit I once was an estate agent, and I've had a holiday cottage that I've rented out for 15 years down in Cornwall called Tredugan. Now these are all my own ideas and they may not necessarily agree with Beds on Board's thoughts, but they work for me. I'd be delighted to chat to anybody who's thinking about doing the same thing. So if you're interested in letting on Beds on Board, give me a ring or pop me through an email. There's an excellent set of articles on the Beds on Board website about what they do and how it works. In simple terms, it's really easy. Beds on Board just send you inquiries, and so you manage your own listing and your own calendar. And you can accept or refuse a booking as you see fit. They just charge you 5% of the booking, which is excellent. To put that into perspective, I'd have to pay 3% for a credit card merchant account in order to process credit card payments on my own. Well, they do all that and the marketing, and then on the end of a phone, all for 5%. Now they've also got a set of guidelines covering equipment and conduct and boat safety. Your boat isn't going to move anywhere, hence there are no requirements to get your boat approved or coded for charter. Mine is coded and it cost me a couple of £1,000 and about £500 per year to maintain it, and it's arguable whether it's worth it. The charter agencies say that corporate groups want big glamorous Sunseekers and Fairlines and Princesses, so I don't get any of that. What I get is families that are staying on Zen Dog asking if we can do a day charter, and whilst I do them, the cost of fuel and hiring a skipper and wear and tear etc. means I don't make much. So I think stick to overnight guests. That seems to be where the money is. So all you need to do to get started is to create an account in Beds on Board, and there's a very visible list your boat option on the homepage. You just fill in the first few questions, and then if you get stuck, the lovely team at Beds on Board will help you out.